Olight is back with a refreshed take on its Penlight lineup, and this time the O Pen 3 arrives with more lighting power, more features, and yes, a higher price tag. So what exactly makes this luminous ballpoint stand out? Let's take a closer look. The O Pen 3 replaces the popular O Pen 2, which Olight no longer sells. While the brand has experimented with multi-light pen designs before, this model pushes the series forward in some meaningful ways. First up, the biggest upgrade. Olight has added a Class 1 green laser pointer, a first for the O Pen family. It's brighter, easier to spot, and far more useful for presentations, pointing out details, or even outdoor signaling. The side lighting also gets a makeover. What used to be a single white side LED now becomes a two-color setup with a new red light positioned near the clip. The red output can run at either 5 or 10 lumens, perfect for preserving night vision or adding versatility in close-up tasks. But there's one design change that may surprise longtime users. The pen no longer unscrews into two parts. That feature once allowed easy charging and even lets you reposition the clip for ideal side light alignment. Now, Olight simplifies the process with a mid-body slide that reveals the USB-C port. It's more convenient, but offers less physical adjustability. At the front, the Penlight's primary beam delivers up to 120 lumens with a throw of around 46 feet. On the low end, it drops to just 2 lumens for close-up work without glare. Control is intuitive. A slider lets you switch between the 4 light sources, while a traditional button handles brightness levels. Simple, familiar, effective. Powering everything is a compact battery rated at just under half a watt-hour. At maximum brightness, you'll get about 14 minutes before the beam steps down for another 25 minutes. Dial it down to 2 lumens, and the O Pen 3 runs for up to 26 hours, plenty for daily carry needs. Despite all the added hardware, its form factor remains approachable, roughly 6.2 inches long and half an inch thick, still unmistakably a pen, just a very capable one. The Olight O Pen 3 comes in black, red, and a rugged outdoor orange. It retails for $80, placing it firmly in the premium EDC gadget space. With more lighting options, a new laser pointer, and a streamlined charging method, the O Pen 3 is a clever evolution of Olight's illuminated pen. It's not without trade-offs, but for those who love multifunction tools in a sleek form factor, this latest upgrade might be the brightest one yet. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more tech and gear insights.